Hello all, this is a sample video. Take my hat off so I can actually see me. Woo! This is a sample video of a beginner guitar lesson. So let's try it out right now. I'll pan down so you can see me here. There we go. Go back just a little bit. So I was going to show you just the basic riff for Sweet Home Alabama. It is in the key of D, I believe. And so the first chord that you play is a D power chord. This is where you take your index finger and you put that on the second fret of the third string. Your middle finger should go on the second fret of the first string, and your ring finger finally should go on the third fret of the second string. You would play all the bottom four strings. Okay, so that's the chord you'll play. And we're actually going to do, instead of playing it like a chord like that, we're going to arpeggiate the notes. That means you play the notes individually rather than playing it as a chord. You pick each note individually. So the first two notes in this song are two Ds. Open D string, which is your fourth string. You hit that twice. Okay, then the next two notes we're going to play within our chord form here. We're going to play the second string followed by the third string. So again. Okay, then we're going to go to the C add 9 chord. C add 9 is just like a G chord, like this, but you move your top two fingers down one string. Okay, so for the beginners, the C add 9 is formed by middle finger goes on the third fret of the fifth string, index finger goes on the second fret of the fourth string, your ring finger goes on the second fret of the third fret of the second string, and pinky goes right below it on the third fret of the first string. So the third string would be completely open. You don't fret that. And you play the bottom five strings. But again, we're going to do this like country or southern rock. So we're going to play two of this note right here, and then play the second and third string again. So let me go through all we've got so far. When we go to our C add 9 chord, same thing. When we go to a G chord, okay, G chord, you lift these two and put them up just one string higher. So now your middle finger is on the third fret of the sixth string, and your index is on the second fret of the fifth string, and you play all six strings. Okay, so if we put that all together, and then we have a fill. Okay, and that is just a pull off. So you put your index finger on the second fret of the third string, and then you pull your finger off, drag it down towards the floor to pluck the string so it goes to the open note. Okay, and then you play the open note twice. Okay, then you do that exact same thing on the fourth fret. Okay, then you bend the fifth string with your ring finger one whole step, which is 2 frets. So you're bending from this note to this note. So we're going to go, and you bend a whole step. Okay, so we put that all together. And it just repeats. That's your lesson for today. And this is our test lesson. Thank you very much.